Now, Real Recipes with Dave Lancaster.
How's it? I'm Dave Lancaster. Welcome to Real Recipes. We have a treat for you today because we have a OC16 alumni here with us. We have Janice Morimoto. Janice, you might remember as the couple, you know, with Troy, that they met as boyfriend. We watched them go from boyfriend, girlfriend, all the way through baby time, all on Oceanic cable. So hi Janice, welcome to the show. Good to see you. So now you have your own cooking channel on YouTube?
Well, I'm a housewife now, so
real one.
A real
one. Not
one.
like the one you saw on Oceanic, no.
So I have a lot of time on my hands.
Yeah.
Plus, I had to learn how to cook.
Okay.
So I thought I would combine the two. So I started my own YouTube channel, Janice Korea, and I do cooking demos.
So did you cook before you got married?
Not really.
Really?
No.
Oh,
Open the can or drive through.
She was an actress.
That's
you
right.
Don't cook. Actors. We
No
don't cook.
time.
Yeah. So you learned to cook in Korea.
Yes.
Okay. So what you gonna make first?
Today we're gonna make tom yum soup with shrimp.
Tom yum soup with shrimp.
Yum.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I got fresh shrimp,
Yeah.
the whole thing with the head, everything.
Everything,
And
okay.
then for you, I
Yeah.
will clean them.
Thank you. You
Right.
deveined it.
Yes,
Thank
because
you.
it was me. I just throw everything in the pot.
On the doodle bag running down the middle.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So I will clean them for you.
Okay,
All
now
that.
the
But I saved the
shells,
head and
okay.
the shell, everything.
Okay.
And I go make the broth.
Okay. So that's what, about maybe an inch and a half of water.
About 2 to 3 cups of water.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's gonna just simmer.
Yeah,
and make a broth.
Let,
Okay.
let that sit.
Okay.
And then once we get that separated, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the other ingredients.
Okay.
I have shiitake mushrooms, which I
Okay.
soaked first, and then I
Okay.
had to chop it up.
Mhm.
I have fish sauce.
Ooh. Nice.
Like
Smells-
smell.
Yeah. Ooh, smells fishy
Smells
to me.
good.
Smells like Mauna Kea Street.
And then I have the Thai paste.
Thai paste.
Spicy.
Okay. Chili paste.
Yes.
Okay.
And lemon and lime juice.
Okay.
And then I'll add, you're supposed to use cherry tomatoes, but I got the grape tomatoes.
Same thing, small.
Because it was cheaper. And then I got broccoli and
Yeah.
of course fresh cilantro.
Cilantro,
And then
okay.
the clean
The clean,
shrimp.
deveined shrimp.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We can stir that up a little bit. You can
Oh,
help
okay.
me.
Sure,
Thank
I'll help you. Okay, just
Oh,
stir it. Oh, it looks
yeah,
good,
I'll
turning nice
please.
bright orange.
Yes.
Okay, and this is just basically the broth part, right?
Yes, that's the broth part. We
Okay.
use every part of the shrimp.
So how long do you have to simmer the
I
shells?
usually do that maybe about a minute, 2 minutes.
Okay, so it's pretty much almost done then.
Yes, sir. So you gotta
Okay.
help me.
Help you. Okay, we take it out. We're
Yep.
gonna strain this,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Okay, so from here we're gonna put it into a smaller pot.
yeah.
Okay.
Let's move.
Okay,
Yeah,
just bring
yeah,
it on
let's
over.
strain
Okay, so we just strain it.
Yeah. Oh, good job. Good
Oh,
job.
mahalo.
There you go.
Okay.
Where can we stick this? You know what? I'm gonna stick this here
Okay.
and we'll put it in the sink.
Okay. Put that there. I will get rid of this.
Thank you, my lovely assistant.
Okay.
All right, so we got that going, and I'm just gonna go ahead
And
add
start the
everything.
tom yum.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with the vegetables.
Okay, so a little broccoli.
Yep.
Okay. Now I never noticed broccoli before in at Thai restaurants.
Oh,
Really?
I put them in mine.
Okay. I don't know they grow
The
broccoli
recipe
in Thailand.
I got was had the broccoli.
Okay.
Put
Okay.
some of that.
No,
I
looks
might
good.
as well throw in some cilantro now.
Okay.
There
All
you go.
right.
Bam. Lemon and lime juice, about a tablespoon each.
Lemon lime. Okay.
Then I got the Thai paste,
Okay.
about a heaping teaspoon.
Heaping teaspoon,
I like
almost
that.
tablespoon.
Yeah. I just eyeball them.
Okay.
And then the fish sauce.
Oh, no, thank you.
I love fish sauce.
It tastes better than it smells.
Gonna put in the mushrooms.
Okay.
Then we toss in the shrimp.
All right. And now you bring it to a boil, or you
Yep.
just bring it to a boil?
Bring it to a boil.
Okay. So we'll bring the fire up here.
Let it sit.
Okay.
I'm gonna cover them up. That's it.
And how long do you boil it?
Couple minutes.
And that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
And let's eat.
Oh, shoot then. So you guys go bathroom, come back on
Yeah,
Bipao.
yeah. Wash your hands.
Okay, so you simmer a couple minutes, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll start to boil now, so we're just gonna
Yes.
turn it down a little bit.
Oh yeah. Good,
Okay.
good.
So now you gotta always taste, right? Because
You always gotta taste, and then you can adjust.
okay.
'Cause-
All right.
But I know you like spicy.
But that's
I don't like spicy.
No, that's all right. You can make it mild for me. I don't mind.
Okay. So
Okay.
it's gonna stir it up.
Okay.
Oh, the burger gonna be hot.
Ooh, looking good. Okay. So you taste it. You tell me.
Yeah. It's hot. How hot?
Okay. Tum, 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 tum,
Ooh.
yum, 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 yum. Good.
Perfect.
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 There you go.
Just
See?
enough spice. That's my
Okay.
spoon.
Okay.
That's your spoon.
Okay, I got my spoon.
Okay.
Keep that right here. Okay, you can serve.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, eh?
Taste, taste.
Okay.
Ready.
Ready. I've been ready before you started cooking it. Wow.
I know you like this, so I hope you
I love
enjoy
tom
this.
yum. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
Wait, I gotta do like Korean style.
Okay. Oh, and how do I accept it?
Just take
Oh,
one.
just grab them. Okay. Whoa. Okay. It's not like when you get two comedians in the same room, it just gets a little dangerous after that. Okay. All right, let's try this. Oh.
Not too spicy.
But just right. This
If
is
you-
really good.
If you want it more spicy, you can just add fresh chopped hot pepper, chili pepper.
Okay.
Give it more of a kick.
Oh, I love this. The shrimp looks so good.
But be careful, the tomato gonna be hot.
Mm.
Yeah, tomato gonna be hot inside.
Janice, mahalo.
Thank you.
Janice Morimoto. What was your character's name on the OC spots?
Kara.
Kara. They never really said that, yeah?
Kara and Matt.
Kara and Matt. Almost the husband and wife we watched
Yeah.
for so many years.
But that's not
on
my real
Ocean.
husband, and I never have one baby.
Yeah, that was on rubber balloon. Okay. Anyway, Janice, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, and I will hopefully have you back soon.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. That's Real Recipes right here on Hawaii Goes Fishing. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna get some too.
Okay.
Next on Hawaii Goes Fishing, we spend a couple of epic days with the aqua hunters in Kona.